guys, and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. I'm excited for today's video because we have a sponsor by Maniology, and we are going to be diving into some more tutorials. So if you are new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Delissime and I am a licensed nail technician. If you are already a part of the family and subscribe to the channel, thank you so much. I would not be where I am without all of your continued support. So like the video, share the video to someone who might like nail tutorials or nail art. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and dive right in. We are going to go ahead and open up this really cute Maniology package. Inside, we will have two colors. One will be our base coat, which is going to be black. I believe it's called Black Magic. And I'm loving these because the polished bottle itself, it holds so much. So this will be B171 Black Magic. So I'm excited to dive into that. Our second color is also Black Magic, but it is 293. And in my last video, if you guys had seen it, you already know I am extremely excited to jump in to this next nail art. Now, I've got my test swatch and we are gonna do a nice thin layer of the Black Magic. And one of the things that I love about this brand is that if you needed to do a really quick manicure, but you had no access to a UV light, you actually don't need to use any kind of UV light for these gel polishes, or I should just say polish. And what's amazing is I am getting full coverage from this polish, and I feel like normally when I go to try other brands that have black polish, and as soon as I put them into the UV light, they start to ripple, or the gel underneath the top layer doesn't cure properly. But this is absolutely giving. I am very impressed, and I'm excited because I have such a huge bottle. I'm definitely gonna have to be using this. So as I'm letting the black gel polish kind of sit there and dry up a little, I am already selecting the pattern that I want to go on top of it. And I am gonna do a decent amount of the Black Magic 293 so that I can get into the crevices, but I feel like this would be like perfect color for Halloween, or just like that spooky season. But I'm not gonna lie, I actually have my current set using this stamper as well as this polish. So you can see I'm making sure that I get a decent amount. I've got my scraper, gonna do a quick little scrapey scrape, wiping off the excess, and then I'm grabbing my little stamper tool and I'm gonna do a nice quick pat on the polish itself, and we are going to review, and it looks absolutely perfect. So we are grabbing our swatch and we're gonna place those designs exactly where we want on the swatch itself, and you guys will see how amazing this looks because the Black Magic in 293 definitely pops, and it is absolutely stunning. I am patting down the outsides for the polishes that didn't get stuck onto the nail, but not too much cleanup at all. It looks beautiful. What's amazing is that you can still see all the different colors shimmering throughout the nail. If you guys are enjoying Maniology nail stamps as much as I am, don't forget that I do have an additional 10% off when you use my discount code DNails. I will flash it up here on the screen, and I will leave all of the information, the products, the tools that I used in this video down in the description below. And I just finished doing a nice thin layer of the Kira Sky, and we're gonna toss that into the UV for about 30 seconds to get her looking beautiful, prepped and primed. I can't wait for you guys to go onto their website and check out all the different nail stamps that they have. There were a couple that I was eyeing for Valentine's Day, but without further ado, we will be wrapping up this video. And so here we are just comparing. Look at that nail. Damn, looks good. And then we've got our Black Magic in the 293. Yes, it's absolutely popping. It's giving. If you guys can't tell, I'm really excited. I will go ahead and post a ton of shorts with my new nails. And Maniology, thank you again so much. We are so excited, so very blessed to be a part of your nail stamping journeys. If you are a nail technician, if you have a ton of clients and you're looking for a time saver, Maniology is your go-to. I am again so very impressed with how Maniology was able to create these nail stamps. I, as a licensed nail technician, try to save time anywhere that I can when it comes to nail art, and this actually helps save so much time. And I'm not just saying it because, you know, they're sponsoring this video or they're sponsoring this ad. It is truly a time saver. And if you are working on clients and if you are looking for amazing, intricate, sweet designs, Maniology is the place to go, which is insane. So lucky for you guys, I have a discount code where you can save an additional 10% off, and I will leave the stamping starter kit. I will leave this these polishes down below in the description so that if you guys are interested, you can save a little bit and enjoy easy, beautiful nail art. Again, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and I will see you guys for the next one.